Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you around this brand new Volkswagen T-Roc Match that is fresh in stock and does come complemented in the modernised Ascot Grey paintwork. Housing your 1.5 TSI engine and manual transmission, it is the ideal spacious and nippy city upgrade for any small families. With top features including your LED headlights, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, and for further convenience and protection, power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers a 445-litre capacity for travel essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery offers comfort all round with access to your pull-down armrest and central power outlets. The front does house your multifunctional leather steering wheel and central touch display for endless entertainment, followed again by the comfort of a cloth trim. You do also have seamless navigation around the vehicle with your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit display, with your vital driving data, audio and even your lane assist, adaptive cruise and limiter for further protection. Moving across, you do have a variation of radio stations to keep you well entertained, alongside your app Connect to stay connected on the go. Alongside your on-screen vehicle information, you do also have the activation of your sensors and reversing camera, guiding you into those tricky parking spots. And moving across, you do also have your on-screen climate control with your main touch buttons below, with your two front heated seats as part of your winter package, followed by the convenience of a wireless charging pocket, cup holders and storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.